Okay guys, it's maths time. Who wants to be in the groovy gang? I can't hear you. Who wants to be in the groovy gang? Okay, if I call your colour group, say, here dude. Red group. Good. Green group. Here dude. Yellow group. And blue group. We're having trouble learning our song. 20, 19, 18 and 17. 20, 19, 18 and 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. So, I'm going to teach you some actions. Are you ready? Okay, roll your shoulders back. Tilt your head over. And the other side. And stretch. Okay, I'm going to show you some moves. Are you ready? Okay, so palm facing down. 20, 19, 18 and 17. Try that for me. 20, 19, 18 and 17. So you put your hands out with your palms facing down and then you flip them over. Okay, the next part is 16, 15. Can you do that? Pretend there's an insect on your shoulder. So flick this way first. Flick and flick. 16 and 15. Let's try that together. You ready? 20, 19, 18 and 17. 16, 15. Well done. Okay, 14 is like this. Hands quite wide apart. 14. 13. So 14 is here. 13 is a bit smaller. 14, 13, 12. So you've got the top and the bottom of the box. And 11. 11 is the sides of the box. Can you see? It looks a little bit like ones. Then you're going to pop your face through. Okay. 20, 19, 18 and 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. I know, it's a bit crazy, isn't it? Is it helping you remember the words though? Should we try that together? Let's practice that last little bit. So 14, 13, 12 and 11. Right, let's try it all together. 20, 19, 18 and 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. I nearly forgot it. 20, 19, 18 and 17. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Well done if you're keeping up and remembering all that. It's quite difficult. Now, if you can write on your clearboard your numbers 1 to 20, and it's very neat, all of your numbers around the right way, and you can remember the order, and you can remember what is one more, what comes next, I want you to challenge yourselves now, and I want you to write it in reverse. Okay, let's try and write it in reverse. So usually you'd get your clearboard and you'd write 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want you to do that anymore. If you can do it successfully, if your parents say your numbers are always around the right way, you can always remember what comes next. I want you to challenge yourself. If you find it still tricky, stick to the old way. Okay? If you can manage it, try this. 20, 19, 18 and 17. 20, 19, 18 and 17. The next bit of the song is quicker, but I don't want you to sing it very quickly because you might write very quickly and your writing will be really scruffy and no one will understand what it says. So just slow down. 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Do you think you could try that? If that's too difficult for you, forget this and write your numbers from 10 backwards, okay? So you can write it like a rocket, do you remember? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off. And you can even perhaps draw a little rocket at the end there. You can draw your own rocket. It's time to play a game. Okay, this game is called the Greedy Monster Subtraction Game. There's the Greedy Monster. You'll need a dice for this. You don't need to worry about the counters because we're going to cross off with a pen. So the Greedy Monster says, I'm a very greedy monster. Roll a dice to see how many pieces of food I will take away. How many pieces are left? So the greedy monster is allowed to eat whatever number we roll on our dice. Then we cross that off and then see how much food he's left us. Or if he eats it all. Okay, so first food is pizza, my favourite. Let's roll for the greedy monster. I always roll my dice inside a plate because when I play with my brother, he rolls it so hard it bounces across the table and all across the floor. Okay, so my first roll of the dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to cross off 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 for the greedy monster. How much is left for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for me. So I still get to eat more than the greedy monster. I'm going to put the greedy monster over this side. I wonder if that's his eyes at the end. That's the I'm going to draw the greedy monster there. I'm going to draw myself on this side. Okay, so he had 5, but I got 6. I got more. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 for the greedy monster. 1, 2, 3. 3 for him. How many for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There were still 7 left, so I still got to eat more than the greedy monster. If you like, you could draw yourself this side, and your greedy monster could be somebody in your family. It could be Coco the dog. It could be Tricky. Someone that you think might eat your things. Someone that you think might eat your dinner. Let's have one more go. Okay, 6 for the greedy monster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 for the greedy monster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left for me? 1, 2. Just 2. I'm not happy about that. You play yourselves with your greedy monster or your other character that you're going to draw on top and see how much food you can eat. Who will get more and who will get less? Okay, we're going to have one more sing-song before I go. You've got a challenge today, guys.
Challenge.
Your challenge is to teach our dance to someone in your family. Who's the best dancer in your family? Can you show them? You've got to be the teacher. You need to teach them. They need to sing it and dance, okay? I hope they get it right. You might even give them a house point if they can do it. Are you ready? One last turn before I go. 20, 19, 18 and 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. You've got this, guys. Good luck. See you tomorrow.